Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a API with Python FastAPI. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, to create API, first you have to use any computer. In my case, for this demo purpose, I am using WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. First, I have to open it. To open the WSL, first click on Start and write CMD. Click on Command Prompt and open the lower arrow key and open Ubuntu WSL. I have a video how to create a WSL. You can check out that video. Okay, this is a Ubuntu machine. Uname -a. You can see this is a Linux machine. To create a API using FastAPI, or you have to create first a directory or folder. Okay, for this demo purpose, I am creating a directory called API Python, mkdi API-Python. Any name you can give. Okay, and hit enter. Go inside the directory. For this, cd API hyphen and hit enter. I want to open this directory in the ID that is VS Code. To open the VS Code, just write code space dot and hit enter. It will open the directory in VS Code. Okay, just close it. Control backtick to open the terminal. Okay, here you can see this is the empty directory that is API-Python. To write API for the demo purpose, I am using this documentation. I will put the link in the description. Okay. To write API using FastAPI, just copy this code, or you can write of your own. Copy this code, and here first you have to create a file name, any name. Here in my case, main.py, and hit enter. In this file, you can paste the code. Here, this is the code. This is the FastAPI Python library. It is used to create the FastAPI. Here it is the FastAPI function is used, and it is instantiate called app. With the help of the Python decorator @app, the root function is used. Here root API endpoint used a function, the root that is called root function, and returns a message that is hello world. This is the simple FastAPI on the endpoint root. Okay. Control S, save it. To before run any Python application, you should create a Python virtual environment. It is recommended first you should create a virtual environment, Python virtual environment. Okay. Before that, you should install the Python on your machine. It is required. To install the Python on your machine, you can use this command. Here in my documentation, you can use this command. This sudo apt install python 3 this. I have already installed Python. That's why I do not require to install it. To check the Python install or not, just use this command. Python 3 -- version. That means Python is installed in my machine. To create Python virtual environment, first use this Python 3 -m, then virtual and venv, then name of the virtual environment. Here in my case .venv, and hit enter. It will create a directory .venv for virtual environment and hit enter. You can see the .venv virtual environment is created. Then you have to activate it. To activate the virtual environment, just first you write this command source .venv inside the directory bin, and then activate and hit enter. You will see the .venv at the first. That means your virtual environment is activated. Then you should run the application. To run the application, this is the FastAPI API. Here it is used the FastAPI Python library. Okay. For this, you have to install in your machine. Okay. To install the FastAPI, just use this command. Here you can see to run this first step. Pip install FastAPI standard. This is the command to install the Python library. And here, just paste it here. Okay. And hit enter. Pip is the Python package manager. For pip, by using pip, you can install the packages. Here in this case, FastAPI. Okay, and hit enter. Pip is the Python package. Any package you can install by using the pip. Here it is the command pip install FastAPI and hit enter. It will install the FastAPI on your machine. After installing the FastAPI, okay, you can run the application. Control L, clear the screen. To run the application, just use this command. Just use FastAPI dev main.py. Okay, FastAPI dev name of the file main.py and hit enter. You can see it is running in the port 8000. Here you can see it is running localhost 8000, that is 127, that is the localhost 8000. And go to the browser and here you can write localhost 8000 and hit enter. Wait a little bit. And it will show the hello world. You can see the this is the 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. Here you can see that this is here. You can see this http colon. In this URL, root URL, it is shows the hello world. Okay, that means you can successfully create a root endpoint and it shows the message hello world. You can see the message hello world, or you can see hello Python. Okay, to see the documentation of Python FastAPI, just write here docs docs and hit enter. It will show the FastAPI documentation, and here you can just try it out and execute this. You can also check the FastAPI by using the command prompt command curl co. Just copy it and go to the VS Code, and here you create another terminal, just clicking the plus, and here you can paste it this command curl command and hit enter. It will show the hello world also and hit enter. You can see the message hello world is displayed. That means you can successfully check using the curl command. Okay, and you can also see the documentation. Here you can write the redoc and hit enter. It will shows the FastAPI documentation. Here's root 2000 successfully response. In this way, you can create a FastAPI using the FastAPI. Okay, and here in this earlier, here you can control C to stop the server. And if you want to deactivate the virtual environment, just write deactivate and hit enter. Here it is gone, .vnp gone. That means you have successfully deactivated the Python virtual environment. In this way, you can create API. You can create API using Python FastAPI. It is very fast. Okay, and you can create another endpoint /hello or hello world. Okay, just close it. I close the VS Code